Okay, we're at the last section. This is parts um, 8 through 10. So we're gonna keep this voltage setting, the 13.3. That's going to be our reference voltage. We're going to vary this resistor. We're going to bring it down in value, and we're going to adjust this one so that we can maintain a voltage of 13.33 volts. So let's start off um, filling out the data table 3. Um, so we're at 100 ohms on our RS, um, and the current is 0.13 amps, and the RS is 100. And you can take the reciprocal of that on your own, 1 over RS. Now we're going to decrease this to 90, 90, but we want 13.33. So we need to change this until we get 13.33. Went over a little bit. Let's go, oops. Nope, going the wrong way. Okay, and that's 45 45 ohms. I don't know that that's needed, but I'm going to record it anyway. 45. This was 50 for the first one. So we've got a reading of 0.15 amps at 90, resistance of 90. Now we're going to go back over here and lower this to 80. 1, 2, and we need to adjust this to make this go to 13.33, and there it is. So it's down to 40 ohms on the rheostat, 0.17 amps for 80 ohms on RS. Now let's change RS to 70. Let's see. And adjust this one to where we get 13.33 volts. And there it is. It's at 35 ohms, 0.19 amps, and 70 ohms. And let's take this one down to 60. And let's adjust this one for 13.33 volts. And we get 30 ohms on the rheostat. And it's 60 ohms on RS. And the current is 0.22 amps. So you take the, you plot this IS versus 1 over RS. Let me go back to the instructions. Yes, plot the results on an IS versus 1 over RS. So IS is going to be your vertical, 1 over RS is going to be your horizontal. Draw a straight line that best fits. The reciprocal ohms, 1 over R, is commonly given the name MOS, M-H-O-S, just ohms backwards. Determine the slope of the line and compare it with the constant value of VS by computing the percent error. According to Ohm's law, these values should be equal. Okay, and that's it for the last part. I'll have the data tables partially populated. You need to do the graphs showing the slope of the line and any other data that's left, any other data in the tables or at least in the calculations where that you need to fill out. All right.